Hey everyone, welcome back to another weekly maintenance video. This time featuring the XpertJet 1641SR Pro 2. This procedure also applies to all of our EcoSolvent printers. Regular maintenance is critical for preventing clogged nozzles, maintaining consistent print quality, and extending the life of your printhead. Let's walk through what you should be doing every day to keep your printer running at peak performance. Thanks for watching. For more information on the XpertJet 1641SR Pro 2 or our other EcoSolvent printers, visit MUTOH.com and be sure to follow us on social media.